Lost your iPhone contacts after a factory reset? Don't worry. In this video I'll show you simple ways to recover them from iCloud, iTunes, or with a professional tool fast and safely. Part 1. Is it possible to recover contacts after factory reset on iPhone? Lost iPhone contacts after a factory reset? Restore from iCloud, iTunes, or Finder, or use recovery tools. Let's see how. Part 2. Recover contacts after factory reset iPhone from iCloud. Method 1. iCloud Backup. Check Backup in iCloud Backups. Reset iPhone if needed. Restore during setup. Method 2. iCloud Com. Sign into iCloud Com. Open Restore Contacts. Choose a version and restore. Part 3. Recover iPhone contacts after factory reset via iTunes Backup. Connect your iPhone to PC and open iTunes. Click the device icon, select Restore Backup, choose a backup, and click Restore. Enter password if encrypted. Part 4. Recover contacts from a factory reset iPhone with Doctor for iOS. If you've performed a factory reset on your iPhone and don't have a backup, you can still recover your contacts using powerful iPhone data recovery software, like Mobican Doctor for iOS. Recover contacts directly from iPhone. Step 1. Launch Doctor for iOS on your computer and select Recover from iOS device. From the left panel, connect your iPhone, then click Next once the device is detected. Step 2. Choose the data types you want to recover and select Contacts, then click Start Scan. Step 3. After scanning, preview the results. Select the contacts you need and click Recover to Computer to save them. Recover contacts from iTunes Backup. Step 1. Select Recover from iTunes Backup file from the left menu. The software will automatically detect available iTunes backups on your computer. Step 2. Choose a backup file and click Start Scan, then select Contacts and scan again. Step 3. Once scanning is complete, preview the contacts, select the ones you want, and click Recover to Computer. Restore contacts from iCloud Backup. Step 1. Choose Recover from iCloud Backup file and sign in with your Apple ID. Select the backup that contains your contacts. Step 2. Select Contacts and click Next to download data from the iCloud Backup. Step 3. Preview the contacts, choose what you need, and click Recover to Computer to export them.